Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get money from trading. First, begin your journey by using TradingView's paper trading feature. This powerful tool allows you to simulate real market conditions and execute trades with virtual funds. It's a fantastic way to practice your strategies, understand market dynamics, and get comfortable with the platform's extensive features, all without risking a single penny of your actual money. Think of it as your personal training ground. Next, focus on developing a robust trading strategy. TradingView offers over 100 pre-built indicators and numerous drawing tools to help you analyze market trends. You can even create custom indicators using PineScript. It's crucial to backtest your strategies against historical data to understand their potential effectiveness. Define precise entry and exit points, along with stop loss and take profit levels, to manage your risk effectively before trading live. Once confident in your strategy, connect your live brokerage account to TradingView. Many brokers integrate directly, allowing you to execute trades right from your charts. Navigate to the trading panel, select your broker, and log in with your credentials. This integration provides a seamless experience, letting you analyze and trade from one centralized platform. You can place market, limit, and stop orders and monitor your real-time profit and loss directly. Finally, consistent success requires diligent risk management and continuous learning. Never risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. Regularly review your performance, adapt your strategies, and stay updated on market news. Remember, TradingView is a powerful tool for analysis and execution. You can also earn $100 if your trading ideas or scripts are selected as an editor's pick by the platform's team.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.